Hi everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can delete a playlist on your YouTube channel, alright, in 2020. So to do this, we can do this in two ways. The first way, we can just go to this one, under your channel, click on playlist, and here you can find your playlist. So to go to a playlist, you just click on view full playlist. So this is one way you can go to the playlist, and the other way, we can go to the top right corner, click on your profile image, go and click on YouTube Studio, go to the left sidebar, go to playlist. Okay, so here you can see all of your playlists. Now you can search for a playlist right here, or you can change the filtration from newest created, oldest created, A to C, C to A. Alright, and now just choose the one you want to delete. I want to delete this one, how to delete YouTube playlist 2020. Alright, so just go and click on this one, edit. Okay, so now we are in the playlist. So to delete this playlist, we need to go to these three dots. Click on that, go down and click on this one, delete playlist. So delete playlist. Are you sure you want to delete this playlist? Note, deleting playlist is a permanent action and cannot be undone. And don't worry about the videos in the playlist, they will not be deleted. Only this playlist, okay? So if you are sure you want to delete this playlist, just click on delete, otherwise just click on cancel. So I want to delete this playlist on YouTube, so I'm gonna click on delete, like so. So if I go back to YouTube Studio, go to playlist, we now see that my playlist is now deleted. Okay everyone, so this is how you can delete a playlist on YouTube in 2020. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video was helpful. If you like this one, you can give thumbs up, leave a comment below. You can also subscribe right here and check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.